example, you have to express 1 over root 5 plus root 3 in the form of p root 5 plus q root 3, where p and q are rational numbers. A wide question. You have to solve this. So you have to express this in terms of this. That is, you have to rationalize this in form of what? P root 5 plus q root 3, whereby our p and q are what? Rational numbers. So I believe you guys know what's called rational numbers. That is all integers that can be expressed as fraction. So if you have 1 over root 5 plus root 3, to express this in terms of this, the first thing you do here is what? You make this fraction as a what? As a rational. That is, you what? Rationalize the what? The denominator by saying you multiply by the denominator. So we have root 5. So this sign will change to minus sign, minus root 3 all over root 5 minus root 3. So if you have to rationalize, you multiply by the what? Denominators. So you multiply all this fraction here by what? The denominators. But the sign will change into what? Minus sign. So let's start with what? Open. 1 times this will give us what? Root 5. Then 1 times this will give us what? Minus root 3. All divided by. Here also, this multiplies two of them. So root 5 times root 5 give us what? Root 25, which is equal to 5. That is, if root 5 should multiply with 5 to give us root 25. And I will use square root of this to give us what? 5. So this time this give us 5. Then this times will give us what? Minus root 15. Why? Because we are having root 5 times minus root 3. So you can multiply 5 times 3 to give us what? Minus 15. So that is minus root 15. Here also now, root 3 times this will give us what? Plus root 15. Then root 3 times will give us what? It will give us, if root 3 should multiply minus root 3 to give us minus root 9. So I believe you know minus root 9 is 3, so that's minus 3. Minus 3. So at this point here, I can say our answer is root 5 minus root 3 over minus root 15 plus root 15 give us what? 0. So it means what? 5 minus 3. So we have root 5 minus root 3 all over 2. Remember, we have to express this in form of what? P root 5 plus q root 3. P and q are numbers. The numbers are what? Rational numbers. That is, number that can be expressed in terms of fraction. That is, they can be expressed in terms of fraction. So to make it in this form, that is, you must have two different terms like this. So what are we going to do? Let us first split the what? The denominator into 2. We can say root 5 over 2 minus what? Root 3 over 2. Remember, you have to as what? As plus sign. So what can we do here to make it as what? Addition sign. So I can usually say our root 5 over 2 can be expressed as what? 1 over 2 into bracket what? Root 5 minus root 3. That is, I try to factorize again. That is what is common in these two. So I can say 1 over 3 is common. So if 1 over 3 is common, then how can I turn this minus sign into what? Addition sign. So I can turn it into minus. I can also say my final answer is 1 over 2 root 5, then minus 1 over 2 root 3. That is, 1 over 2 will represent the p, that is the p root 5. Then, if you have a plus sign there, it will be plus into brackets minus half root 3, whereby this our minus half will be our what? Our plus q. So I can stop here as our final answer by saying minus 1 over 2 root 3 as our what? Final answer.